The average annual gross salary in Germany is 49,620 euros. A while back, I conducted a poll on the community tab of my YouTube channel, asking whether people earn above or below this average. 18% said they earn less than 15,000 euros per year. This group mainly consists of students, as this aligns with the minimum hourly wage of 12 euros. If a student works the maximum allowed time of 140 days at this rate, they would earn around 13,440 euros. I would also include people who do mini jobs in this category. 22% reported earning between 15,000 euros and 45,000 euros annually. This range likely includes young professionals, probably in their first year of working in Germany, and those with up to 3 years of work experience. The largest group, 42%, said that they are earning between 46,000 euros and 72,000 euros per year. I believe this group consists of professionals with 2 to 10 years of work experience. 9% of the respondents earned between 75,000 euros and 99,000 euros. These individuals are either highly experienced or working in well-paid or in-demand fields like AI. Finally, 10% reported earning more than 100,000 euros annually. Assuming they answered honestly, this might reflect the interest of people in finance or investing, as those with higher salaries often focus more on personal finance. However, this skewed the results toward a higher income bracket, which might not accurately represent the salary distribution in Germany. This is especially true given that the poll had only 173 responses, asked just one question, and this is a business and personal finance channel. Now this led me to two actions. First, analyze a large report where 921,973 salary points were examined, and second, conducting my own more detailed survey with additional questions. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Esan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel we discuss how to succeed financially in Germany. Alright, the large report I just mentioned is the Gehaltsreport 2024. This is a huge salary report published yearly by Stepstone, which is a job marketplace which is quite popular in Germany. This report gives a good look at the salary landscape in Germany, especially for employees. It covers different industries, regions, and levels of experience. It uses data from one of Germany's biggest salary databases. The report includes information by region, job group, industry, experience, and other factors. For the 2024 report, they looked at over 921,973 salary points from January 2021 to November 2023. They compare full-time salaries and round them up to the nearest 250 euros. Let's look at the average salary in Germany according to this data. Stepstone says that the average salary is 50,250 euros and the median gross income is 43,750 euros. Now, over 900,000 data points is a lot, but is it a good enough sample for the entire German population? Some jobs are either not included or underrepresented. For example, entrepreneurs, self-employed people, CEOs, athletes, and some public sector jobs might not be on Stepstone. However, the average gross salary in the report is close to other sources. The Federal Statistical Office reports an average salary of 4,323 euros per month in April 2023. This adds up to about 51,900 euros a year, which is close to the number from Stepstone. The annual report uses the median salary, which makes sense. Averages can be skewed by high salaries, just as they did in my poll, but the median isn't affected this way. If you list all of the salaries in order, the median is the middle one. This means 50% of the salaries are lower and 50% are higher. The median is often a more realistic measure for the average person than the mathematical average. After seeing these numbers, you might wonder if you expected more or less and how your salary compares. No matter your answer, remember that these numbers mix many things. They include different job types, industries, experience levels, and regions. Okay, let's have a more detailed look. But before I do that, please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video and consider subscribing. First, a word about salary satisfaction. According to the report, 64% of the Germans were unhappy or very unhappy with their salary in 2023. Only 32% were happy and 4% were very happy. Most employees in Germany probably want more money, regardless of their current salary. Now let's look at the regions. There's still a gap between East and West Germany. Eastern states have a median salary of 37,250 euros, while it's 45,000 euros in the West. The best paying state is Hamburg with 49,750 euros. Hessen is second with 47,500 euros, followed by Baden-Württemberg at 47,000 euros. Surprisingly, Berlin is 4th with 46,500 euros and Bavaria is 5th with 46,000 euros. The highest paying city is Munich with 56,250 euros, followed by Stuttgart and Frankfurt. Next, let's have a look at company sizes. Generally, the bigger the company, the higher the median salary. Stepstone shows the data for companies with 1 to 50 employees, 51 to 500 employees, 501 to 5,000 employees, and over 5,000 employees. Now for the industry. The top 5 industry by median salary are banking with 63,250 euros, aerospace with 57,750 euros, pharmaceuticals with 57,250 euros, science and research with 57,000 euros, and insurance with 56,000 euros. The 5 industries with the lowest median salaries are hotel and catering with 35,000 euros, agriculture, forestry and fishing with 36,000 euros, leisure, tourism, culture and sports with 38,000 euros, craft trades with 38,100 euros, and transport and logistics with 38,500 euros. When looking at experience, beginners earn the least. With less than a year of experience, the median salary is 38,250 euros. This number goes up to 45,500 euros for 6 to 10 years of work experience. After 25 years, it slightly drops. Whether you have management responsibilities also matters. Job without management earn 41,500 euros, while those with management earn 50,000 euros. Now here, I would like to include again that these numbers are from all fields and experience levels in Germany. Let's look at the job groups. Stepstone defines several job groups. For example, the medical group includes assistants, doctors, dentists, and senior doctors. Logistics includes buyers, dispatchers, and truck drivers. The lowest median salaries under 40,000 euros are in hospitality, retail, logistics, and health and social services. 3 groups earn between 40 and 50,000 euros. Crafts, sales, and human resources. Jobs with higher median salaries over 50,000 euros include marketing, consulting, IT, engineering, and finance. The highest earners are doctors. Now, this salary report gives a good overview of salaries in Germany, although it's not perfect. It shows trends and gives an idea of where you might earn more or less. But remember, salaries depend on many factors, and these statistics provide only a rough estimate. As I mentioned in the start, I also collected data in a detailed survey. About 100 experts participated in this survey. It's still available if you want to contribute. All of the data is anonymous, so you do not need to worry about your specific data getting leaked. Let me share the details of the survey. First off, I looked at a wide range of industries. There were people from various professions, but unsurprisingly, IT and engineering were some of the most popular fields. People in these roles are earning a decent money as well. For example, a senior software engineer is making around 75,000 euros a year, while a project manager in automotive pulls in about 65,000 euros. But here's the kicker. Many of them still think they should earn more. And it's not just about the money. I asked people if they felt that they were paid fairly based on their experience. Guess what? A lot of them said that there's still room for improvement. Whether it's the high cost of living or just wanting their skills to be valued more, many feel that their salaries could be better. I think this stems from a fact that most high earners, at least the participants in the survey, live in big German cities, Munich being the most common. Now, someone living in Munich and earning around 75,000 euros might not be satisfied with their salary compared to someone who lives in a city with less than 100,000 residents while earning a salary of 65,000 euros, mainly due to the rent and the social scene where high earners often mingle and discuss on bonuses, and raises might also be discussed, which is not very common in most of the German cities. Now let's talk about language. You might need perfect German language to land a job in Germany, right? Well, not really. Many folks, especially in IT and tech roles, are doing just fine with beginner to intermediate German. For example, some senior software engineers are getting by with just A1 or A2 German skills. Now this can be a misleading statistic. At least I do feel that way with my own experience. Again, for extremely skilled professionals, German language is not necessary. But for anyone who wants to succeed professionally in Germany, at least B1 German language skills are absolutely necessary. But it's not just about the job. It's about what comes with it. A lot of these professionals are supporting families, not just here in Germany, but also back home too. Imagine balancing your life and still sending money back home. That's a lot of responsibility. A large majority in the survey sends money back home to their parents. If you're interested in knowing the best way to send money home to your parents, then you should definitely watch this video. In this survey, most of these people have only been in Germany for a few years. Some just moved here in 2023, while others have been around since 2015. It's interesting to see how quickly they've adapted to the job market and started earning. So what can we take away from this? Well, Germany's job market is pretty welcoming, especially for tech and engineering professionals. But just like anywhere else, there's always a desire for a better pay and work-life balance. If you're thinking of making the move or are already here, it's important to know that you're not alone in wanting more out of your career. I want to add one more thing. Now that you have seen how to make 100,000 euros a year in Germany and the top paying jobs in Germany, my recommendation would be not to choose a job just based on the salary. Your strengths, skills, interests, and passion are also important. Choosing a job just for the money can be a bad idea if you don't like the work. If you're not yet in Germany, you can watch this video where I talk about the different ways to get a visa to Germany. In this video, I discuss the job market in Germany to help you land a job in Germany. So thanks for watching Bleibgesund, and I'll see you in either of these two videos.